Hello, how are you? I hope you are very well on this occasion. My colleagues and I will talk to you about the HTC company. Without further ado, let's start. HTC history. In the year 1998, he began designing the first touch and wireless portable device. In the year 2000, creates high-quality products and develops great experience for its customers around the world by introducing innovations in the most popular touch and wireless device of the time. HTC celebrated 20 years of having begun a history full of launches that marked a before and after in mobile telephony. Some years ago, personal computers became an incredible innovation, but they were such large devices that transporting them from one place to another became almost unimaginable. Cell phones, the same dilemma, large, heavy and limited. Without a doubt for this, I will have to be a solution. It was founded on May 15, 1997 by Cher Wang, H.T. Chow and Peter Chow. HTC, initially a producer of notebook computers, HTC began designing some of the world's first wireless touch-enabled mobile device in 1998. Today, HTC offers its own products under the HTC brand, as well as supporting its carrier-branded products and its original equipment manufacturer OEM partners. HTC also owns the part as a subsidiary company. Why was HTC founded? HTC had a history of dreaming, of innovation, a dream to achieve that together with technology could make people's lives easier, a dream to achieve that we could have communication with our loved ones when we need it most. Quietly brilliant or discreetly cold, regardless of how we translate it. The quietly brilliant that HTC adopted as a slogan in 2009 says a lot about the philosophy and character of mobile manufacturer that started behind the scenes with the ambition to shine with its own light on stage. Today the curtain will open again to reveal the latest great work of this company of Taiwanese origin and curiously European spirit. Many believe that with the HTC One, previously known as HTC M7, the manufacturer is risking its future. Much of the blame for this outlook lies with HTC's for financial performance over the past year, but it's not the first time the company has stumbled. Its history is the history of a discrete brand that has always preferred that its products speak for it instead of wallpapering cities with its logo. Ladies and gentlemen, with all of you, HTC the brand that you have probably carried in your prayer without knowing it. What does the company do? Like any other company in the world, HTC's business is simple. It makes money by selling mobile phones. In 2014, Pirop sang the ears of the world. He was also encouraged to expand his business with other products, such as the reaction camera without continuity or successor, or the lip line for virtual reality devices, which has been expanded. What are the opportunities offered by HTC? It offers us 20% discounts and many companies are beginning to launch offers of all kinds and colors to try to attract a greater number of customers. Many different products receive very good discounts, and among these we find of course smartphones. It should be mentioned that these discounts and promotions apply only to devices that people buy from the company's website. That's not all, since the offers also apply to mobiles without a contract, which obviously turn out to be more expensive than those that we acquire with a contract through an operator. A discount of up to 20% on a device that costs hundreds of dollars sounds like a good deal, without a doubt. So this is an ideal opportunity to buy some new smartphone. If you are thinking that it is a good time to change your mobile, or if you want to give one to a friend or family member, then this is your opportunity.
Countries where it has presence. Place of origin. Taoyuan Republic of China operates in Mexico City, Mexico HTC, Latin America. Opera for Miami operated alongside Brinstar distributing funds in the United States of America in 2014. HTC in Latin America and Mexico HTC arrived in Panama in Central America in 2017. In Latin America, HTC is available in Chile, Colombia, Peru, and Mexico. And since April 2017, it has entered the Central American region, positioning itself in Guatemala, Nicaragua, and El Salvador. Examples of vacancies or any opportunity related to ECTS. At HTC, we are committed to making innovative products responsibly, respecting people, the communities in which we operate, and the environment. Your corporate responsibility standards and global sustainability goals are designed to create a sustainable and rewarding work environment where employers thrive, minimize the environment impact when we bring products to market, maintain a responsible supply chain with minimal environment impact, and a manufacturer base that supports and adheres to your respected corporate and social standards. Health and security. We strive to develop a healthy and safe work environment for employees. For example, your factory employees receive ongoing health and safety training as required by their positions, and your manufacturing facilities are closely managed through proper design, engineering and administrative controls, preventative maintenance, and the establishment of safety procedures. Safe job inspections are carried out regularly. Your health and safety guidelines are updated annually to reflect current health and safety conditions. The guidelines include the management of hazardous materials and the reduction of injuries and hazardous materials in the workplace. We have also implement automation in certain parts of the assembly process in your own factories to reduce the risk of repeated motions injuries. Key components of health and safety guidelines provide adequate controls, safeguard procedures, prevent, maintains safety equipment, and other protective measures to mitigate health and safety risks in the workplace. Develop an emergency responses policy to train, inform, and evacuate employees in the event of an emergency. Encourage factory employee participation in company-sponsored wellness programs. Currently, at your manufacturing facilities in Taiwan and China, we offer gym memberships, health consultants, and wellness assessment service.
Benefits 1. The mobile is delivering a practically the best of the market, among other things because they include great advance and improved the technology of this mobile with amazing speed and entire price is very accessible. Benefits 2. It has Uplay design and Ultra is fine but with HTC U11 this have I don't themselves. It's pretty and also has some advanced it's fine nice in the hands. I want high impression of the quality and its 5.5 inch screen is excellent what you accept from a smartphone. I personally don't mind not having a borderless display like this one from LG and Samsung. With the nice color scheme in the really dreams the age, and the reflection make the smartphone stand out from the competition. Product The HTC U11 is the new HTC flagship for 2017. It is a mobile device that costs 5,500 Mexican pesos. HTC U11 features a 5.5-inch QHD display protected by Gorilla Glass 5, Snapdragon 835 octa-core processor, 4 GB RAM and 64 strong of 6 GB RAM and 128 GB strong 12 megapixel rear cam with OIS front camera 16 megapixel. USB port the will work as the audio input size. It does not have a 3.5mm Pro and root Android Note with the 6.9 UI interface. Product 1. HTC Turner Bryant's Idol's intro relied with its leading innovation in the smart mobile device in the experience driving design, while straight with the vision of putting a personal computer in the palm of the custom hands and have led the way in the evolution from PAL PC to smartphone. The HTC Desire 650 is a mobile device that costs 5,000 Mexican pesos it as an Android smartphone. The factory a 5-inch HD screen, Snapdragon quad-core processor, 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal strong expansive via microSD. Main camera 30 megapixels, wide LED flash 5 megapixels front camera, hi-fi tones, 2200 mAh battery, and run Android 6.0 Marshmallow.
Product 3. HTC announced his metaverse called Vivero VB Multiplatform. Do you will avail use any virtual reality drive in any browser and the metaverse of you will collaboration feed my companies avail all nesting working make your avatar more realistic, immersing. This is so you wanna use NFT coins, virtual current like bitcoins, etc. And you can go any museum of current and visit on drawing a portal. The benefits is more unity sociality, and you wanna go to any place you not ever know collaboration and more companies, and you want to connect for all platform if you want any drives.
Product 4. The HTC Desire 10 Lifestyle has a 5.5-inch screen with 720 pixels of resolution, a 1.6 GHz Snapdragon 400 quad-core processor, 2 GB of 3 GB for RAM with LED flash, a 5 megapixel front and 2700 mAh battery. Benefit 4. It includes the boost function with a toast promises to clean young files, free up run and even maximizing battery life, which by the way has 2700 mAh. It also allows you to block application at the user request to protect content. As for the hardware, there are quite a few lights and shadows on this model. The HTC Desire 10 Lifestyle can be obtained in two versions according to memory. The simply offers 2 GB of RAM and 60 GB of storage, while the most complete goes up to 32 GB and 3 GB of RAM, but compatible with microSD memory card of up to the terabytes. The memory is quite good for simple terminal, but this is a processor will find ourselves with why unsolved the biggest disappointment of this terminal. We expected a simple chip, but the Snapdragon 400 is a model that already has a few years behind it and does not benefit from the 64-bit RAM that we already find in most computers. An unforgivable choice in the middle of 2016.